Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about get time zone offset. So, what it does, it's a method to return the time zone differences in minutes from the current localate, the hosting system, the UTC, also, you know that. So, what we're gonna do is first, we will create two date 1 equals use the new operator and date constructor pass August August um, then 19 comma 1975 and 11 23 15 30 and what we're gonna do, you use the GMT plus 07 and 000. If you don't know what GMT is, get the hell out. You don't even know what GMT is, Greenwich Meridian Time. So if you don't know that, I'm serious about that. You just go and check it out. And what we're gonna do is after that use the 02 minus, so these are same time but in different places. So how we can find the difference between them? It's GMT plus 7, it's minus 2. So how we gonna do that? So the thing we need to do is log it on a console, date dot get time zone offset. When we do that, O will be bigger, and do that, we will get the time difference. There is an uncaught error. Let me see what it is. What the, oh yeah. So it gonna give you in in minus. This is what it does. So now we can check, is that the same time? How we gonna do that is use the equals and date 2. After that, use this function and then just do that. So this is what it does with the wait. What did I now? Date time zone. What the heck? There's something fishy. But it says date 2. Oh yeah, true. So this is what it does. Thanks for watching this video. See you guys in the next tutorial.